Who is most likely to call you at 10:30 p.m. for work-related matters? Okay, reset. Which boss is most likely to buy food for the team? Reset. reset, guys, reset. Who is most likely to be late to their own meeting? Hey. Nah, why? Reset. Who is most likely to laugh during a serious conversation?
Oh my god, that's unfair. Come on.
Reset. Which boss is funnier? Guys. Reset. Which boss can you call at night to bail you out of jail? Hey, go off, guys. Reset. Who is most likely to ask you for update when you have to go for lunch?
Report.
Reset. Who is most likely to change their mind halfway through filming?
Obvious.
Reset. Who is most likely to give you a share of their lunch?
Mother.
Reset. Who is most likely to go partying with colleagues?
Guilty.
Reset. Between the two, who likes to gossip the most? Between the two, who likes to gossip the most? And then it's Musa for the win. Okay, last one. Between the two, who has the best fashion sense? It's more. It's Rofa for the win. Rofa for the win. Okay, reset. And there you have it, folks. Between the two, the one most likely for everything. Rofa for the win.
What?